All right, everybody, and welcome to today's market overview. Today is March the 29th, and we will first take a look at the dollar. The dollar got a massive sellout. It made a higher high, and it got absolutely demolished. And also, all the other pairs followed. But now, when we look at the dollar, we see that now it's approaching to a very nice resistance area. Now, from here, we could see some rebound on the US dollar, right? Let me write, do that. Okay, wait one second. So we could see a very nice rebound from the 618 Fibonacci retracement level. So we could see the dollar dump down here and then bounce from here, right? Okay. So that's what we have on the dollar. And now we will take a look at Euro USD. Here we just had an unreal buy. It was just unreal. We collected more than 400 pips. And now the euro is approaching a very important level around here, around 1.2, around this region, and I think I will start opening sell positions in this area. I will be scaling into the sell positions, right? And we will see how it performs. I wish I could see a gap opening on the market opening right, like on the upside, and then get really good position and just short the market. Here we have the gold. Right now, gold made another beautiful run. Our entries were ridiculous. They were at 9.8 level right here before it just shoot it over. We went out of the markets between 550 and 560, and it overshoot incredibly. And now we are trying to get some shorts in, right? It wanted to push through the 1650 level, but it couldn't. It also made a trip information right here, which is very good formation. It means that on a lower time frame there is head and shoulders. And I hope we see this market open with a small gap to the upside, and then as well we get some good sells in, and then we can short the market. I would exit here at the 550 levels. Wait, sorry. Here I would like to exit the market around the 60 and 50 era. Here I'm looking to exit the markets, and this would be a nice almost 1000 short. Here we have the USD Mexican. We also have just a beautiful entry on the USD Mexican. We already saw a little bounce from this era, but I would like to see the price come down here to these levels between 22.3 to 1.5. This era, I think, will easily reached, and GBP USD also just incredible. The price got demolished and it bounced back almost all the way up. So we are here at 618 Fibonacci level retracement, which is very beautiful to start stacking in the shorts. In this era, we could be stacking in shorts and short the market to the downside. I would like to see a double bottom down here. So this would also be a very nice trade. Right? So if we see a double bottom, that will be very, very good. Now, what do we have left? We have left the USD GPY also is getting demolished. Right. Here it made incredible highs to 112 and then got demolished absolutely to the 100 levels, and now it came all the way back and it just got heavily rejected. So if it doesn't hold these levels, I think it can go much lower So right now these levels will be very important here, right? Just be cautious how it performs right here. I will not trade this pair right now. I have other pairs, and I don't want to put my focus on too many pairs, because there is all the pairs do insane movements, so you don't need to trade a lot of pairs. And here we have the kangaroo, and right here it also, like last week, we just got insane entry points, like almost zero drawdown trades, right? We entered here and we saw a beautiful run to the upside, and now I will be monitoring how this develops in this level, in this region. Here we've got a strong monthly level, this one, so I don't think we'll just broke out of it if the DXY will bounce, right? If this will bounce, I don't see any reason for this one to get out of this, right? So we could take some shorts down here. We still have a buy position, so we will just open a hedge and take some profit on the downside. And if the trend changes, if we make a lower low, we'll just close this buy with zero profit on a break even, and this sell here will just overtake our position. So that's what we are looking at now. You can also take a look to oil. This will go even lower. My target on oil is down here. Down here, horizontal line. No, not 5, 12. Here. Here is the point I think oil will go, because while all the countries are on lockdown, there is not a lot buying power, because why would people buy oil if they don't need to go anywhere? They're on a lockdown, they don't use their cars, nobody's going anywhere, everything stopped. So there is no demand for oil right now, and I could easily see the prices drop down even lower. I'm looking at this level. Also, before I would like to scale in. I just don't want to time the market. I think it's wrong to time the markets and just wait, because it can just escape you. So from the here 70 to 12, I would call this as an accumulation zone. So I would try to get in small positions. You don't need to have big positions to make a lot of profit. You just scale in with very little positions, and when everything goes back to normal, if it comes all the way back, you will make incredible profits, even if you have small positions. Don't underestimate a small position. You should focus on catching big moves in the markets and have small positions. That's the name of the game. It takes patience, it takes skill, it takes determination, and you need to have all that, because if you just want to gamble with a big position, in most cases you will have a too close stop loss, and you'll just get stopped out, and then the market will go in your direction and you'll just be frustrated.